Hey Wonders, we are at the Mercury Chester Abbot's Well Hotel. They have a free car park on site, being sure to enter your reg at reception. Another freebie is use of their gym. If you follow their car park around, you will find a gym, spa center with pool. This is all free for guests to use. Next to the reception, they have a decent sized bar area available open late. Tucked behind the bar is the corridor to the room, most being on ground floor of this second floor establishment. Before entering the room looked dated, marked and scuffs, no attempt to tidy. Paper-thin bathroom door with a wonky horror movie lock, dirty spoon. Luckily, the second one was clean for my morning coffee. The room is dated with old switch and no air conditioning. The room did have a nice sized desk to work from, although not a very good chair for a long time at said desk. Bedside USB only available. Scuff and marks continue to the headboard. The window were your only option to stay cool, but with a gym center and ground floor mostly options, then it's a fair bit of noise coming through. The TV did allow parking from the phone, so you can stream your favorite like Netflix to it. Breakfast is £17.95, under 12's eating free. Breakfast was good, but had to make several trips to finish your plate. It wasn't till we were leaving white bread got replenished. Seems as if they are super tight on waste, but at almost £18 a head, it shouldn't be this strict. It's time for review now. Bed were good, same about the temperature and the noise from window outside, 3 star. Decor, it seems quite posh but super outdated. I think a cleaner, newer Premier Inn gets my vote compared to a beat up room like this one, 3 star. Extras were good, such as the gym pass, pool, free parking. We chose a family room, but some of the superior rooms have a mini fridge. No room service option on food either, which was odd for that type of hotel, as it was what we were relying on with our late arrival. Wi-Fi, TV, connectivity all helps towards the rating of 4 star. Value for money, we paid £70 for this room. For a family room, it is not that bad. Location hasn't got much round, but is a good halfway point between places, which is what we use it for, 4 star. Overall, if they took a bit more care in maintaining their rooms instead of relying on former glow, it would have been a much higher score. A lick of paint can go a long way.